guys doing? We're making videos today. I almost said movies.
Hey guys, it's
fun time!
All right, we have our very good friend Jayden Siwa here. Check out his channel down below.
Check out the merch too. Tell me if you like it.
Yep, there it is.
Still unreleased yet.
Yep.
Prototypes.
We got Jaja on drums. And we got Sassy KK over here. All right, so we are gonna make our favorite thing in the whole world. We are gonna make some slime.
This is my favorite time.
Oh, and we love first.
I've never made slime though.
Okay, so we're gonna show you how it's done.
Okay.
First, you're gonna put a tiny bit of that borax in the bowl. Yep, looks good.
That I did my own.
No, borax isn't safe for children.
Yep, so we're gonna leave that there. All right, now you need to pour a generous amount of glue.
Can I do my own glue?
For sure.
Just top it off.
I did my own.
Yeah, you can do your own. Well, you can't lift it, it's too heavy.
Jaja, I'll help you lift it. Let's do it together. Ready? Hold the bottle.
My turn.
Whoa, whoa, all right, we're making some slime.
I get my.
Okay, go for it. Oh gosh.
I'll help her.
Okay, thank you. Oh god, okay. Okay, all right. That looks pretty good.
Now do we mix it with our hands?
Okay, now, oh, we need spoons, Daddy. There's Daddy.
Oh,
Hey guys!
we do it with
And
our.
go.
No, you do it with the colors.
Are you having a good time?
Yeah.
Oh, it smells like glue.
Well, it is, so there's
I
that.
hate the smell
I love
in
it.
borax.
Hey.
What color food coloring are you gonna put in yours, Kayla? You can pick the first color. We've got green, yellow, red, or blue.
I need to green and blue.
Green and blue. So that's
and
gonna.
blue.
What color does green and blue make?
I want green.
Yellow,
I
right?
want green.
What color does green and blue make?
Which one do you want,
Jesse?
Jaja?
Green and blue? Makes yellow?
No, mix blue green.
Purple?
Green and blue?
Teal?
No, red and blue makes purple.
Yeah, red and
This
blue
is
mix
embarrassing.
I don't know.
Comment down below and tell us what color you think green and blue make together. Wait, we gotta do food coloring first. Here we go. So you're picking what color?
I want green.
You want green? Okay, Daddy.
Got
What'd you say?
it? Got it?
Got it?
Got it?
Yeah, we got it.
I'm gonna do red.
Okay, and Jayden, you have a yellow or blue?
Can I have blue?
Yeah, sure.
Of course.
Thanks, Jess.
Wait, do we have yellow? I want to do blue and yellow because that makes green.
Or you can just use the green.
Yeah. Yeah.
It makes a cooler green. I'm with you, girl.
I'm gonna smile.
Well, while you think about it, let me go and help you.
Let's see.
I'm just.
Wait, it's not done. It needs a nose.
Oh yeah. Squeezing through. Squeezing.
Oh, that's too big.
That's abstract.
Okay.
I like it. Now you whip it.
Jesus, that's a lot of
Yeah.
food color.
Oh jeez. Yeah.
Oh, okay,
Jaja,
okay, that's
Jaja,
good.
Jaja.
Ooh, that is
Ooh.
good. Stirring up there, Jaja.
Oh man, do not get that on you, girly.
It'll stain.
Oh, look at this red. I like this red.
That is a gorgeous red.
Color.
What's my favorite color?
Yeah.
My favorite colors are blue and green. What is your favorite color, Jaja?
My favorite color is brown.
Still brown.
Brown,
Okay.
a new one.
No, still brown.
No,
Always
it's
brown.
been brown ever since
Yeah.
we
What about you,
could-
Jayden? What's your favorite color?
I'm gonna have to agree with Jazzy, but I'm gonna have to go with black. It just
Oh.
goes with too much
I
now.
just
Nice.
like Jayden.
Jaja, what
You
color
like
is
black
this?
like Jayden?
I knew
Yeah, remember it's a new one.
it.
Okay, so now it's time to add the water.
Wait, you add water?
Yes. Okay.
Mine's not even,
So-
like, does it get thick and like lumpy?
No, it shouldn't be. You have lumpy.
Oh, I got lumps. in
Yeah, I
there.
have tons of lumps.
So do we need more
And go
borax
back in.
or more?
I'll mess mine up.
What? I'm
The
just,
girls like-
I'm just getting fergalicious.
But mine is lumped too.
But we're gonna find out what happens.
Go full Texas style. Go big or go home, right? Oh my, it actually made it like crusty, like crystally.
Ew.
So, disclaimer.
Don't just...
We didn't tell him to add more borax. That was completely all him. Okay, so did you add water, Kayla?
No. No.
So a little bit of water. Remember, it's just a little toot toot.
A little splashy?
So I didn't do it right.
Well, we're gonna find out. We haven't added the water yet. Looks good to me.
Good job.
Can I see it, Kayla? I gotta add my water. So, since I've already done things Texas style, bigger home, so.
Jayden!
You made cereal.
Jaja. Jaja.
Judge, you want some? Ah!
Oh.
I'm just.
Say amateur hour.
I'm just. Baby.
Okay, start using your hands. Daddy will take them.
Yeah, hold on. Please hold.
It actually is the consistency of like a bouncy ball.
All right, so just try it now. Obviously, it's not going to be good slime, so we'll have to give you some private lessons on your future slime.
Ah, it's thick slime. No, honestly, Jess, it has the consistency of a bouncy ball.
Oh my god. It's so weird.
It feels like a bouncy feel.
Touch it?
I'm good.
Just try it.
A little bit.
Just a little bit.
Little
Just a
bit.
little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I done my in my hand. My hand go in there.
No, put both of them in there. Like,
So mix it.
like,
Mix it with your hands.
I don't want to.
Get your slime out?
Yeah.
Put it on your hands, Jazzy. Watch this. Go like this. Stick it in there.
No.
Just trust me.
Mom.
Ooh.
Dada do.
Dad,
Oh, we're dropping slime on the table. You just covered it up. Oh, typical man.
What?
Hey, at least you covered it
Oh,
up.
oh,
We have nice handprints right there. We can do an art project.
oh. Yeah, we'll just frame that, put it on the
Looks
fridge.
good. Don't get it on your clothes, baby
No,
girl.
Too late.
Well, that outfit was cute. I don't think we put borax in it before.
I think we should have.
I'm 900%.
You definitely put it in there.
I think we should have.
Whoa!
Oh, slippery little suckers.
I think we should have put a board back in there.
Yeah.
Put what?
Oh!
Ew.
Borax?
Like a big old boogie.
Oh.
Grab your boogie, Jaja. Grab it.
Ew.
That's
It looks
disgusting.
like the slime from Nickelodeon when they pick out the nest.
Keep mixing then. Or you can play with mine. Mine's like a scab.
Mine's
A
like.
scab.
Mine's like.
You're telling me that doesn't look like a scab.
Looks like a kidney.
Oh.
Ew.
Oh. Oh my God.
Ew. Oh. You want your ball? What ball? What do you want me to do?
Get my boogie. Okay, I'll
Get my boogie out.
You want me to get your boogie out?
Ew.
Ew.
That is a great thumbnail.
Oh god. Oh god. No, no, no,
Epic
no.
slime fail.
Oh, this is so gross. It is literally like making.
It's back in the hair. It's back in the hair. No need for screaming, but it's back in the hair.
Daddy, get the
Jaja, we're gonna have to get the mayonnaise again.
What? Is that how you get it out?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Why don't you just cut it? How short? How high is it?
It's a couple inches.
Oh. I just say it's just on the bottom, like half inch. Just cut it.
No, we're gonna, this is the wrap for the slime making.
I want my shine. So this didn't work out that well. See my hands?
As she flings slime.
Yeah, what was your favorite moment of the day?
My favorite day playing make it but
Playing with Megan and Brooke, not playing with Jayden?
not at all.
She's such a little savage.
I know. Sassy girl.
And
At
not at all? Really? Are you, seriously? Seriously?
all. Not at all.
I'm gonna cry.
Huh?
All right, well, thanks for coming over.
Thanks for having me over.
We truly enjoyed every collab we did,
You gotta do it again.
for sure. Love you.
That was bad English.
We can edit that out.
Who's in the Pazzy Posse?
We Shout out time. First shout out goes to Fishy01. Fishy01.
Thanks for following us, Felicia.
Our next shout out goes to Ali Follows 1.
No.
Ali Follows 1.
Addie.
Addie. Thank you. Thanks for following us, Adriana.
And our last shout out goes to Matt TV.
That's a great name.
Thanks for following us, Mackenzie.
Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe.
Oh.
Have you hit the notification bell? And remember, we're going to shout out 3 Instagram followers. We hope it's going to be you. So go on Instagram and go follow us right now. What are you waiting for? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out my channel, and I will see you guys next time I'm here.
Woohoo!
We're done.